You hiding your bone? Where's your bone? What are you doing? I can still see it. I can still see it. Hide it before somebody sees it. Hide it. Hide it. Hide it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Oh, I can't see it anymore.
She hid it in the bed. Now she's hiding it on the sofa.
I can't see it anymore. Love the pose.
Yeah.
I think it's hidden. I think it's hidden. No? It's not sufficient. Now we're going to throw everything off the couch to hide the bone. I can't see it. Is it hidden? Yeah, you got the bone? Oh, she's done. She's happy. It's hidden. It's done. I'm going to send that to America's Funniest Home Videos. Win me $50,000.